Hello again. The heating up time is almost done. As you can see, the bit is totally up at both sides of the pipes, and the CNC machine is going to warn us 5 seconds before the heat up time is completed to take out the heater, and warns the operator that the heating up time is completed. As you can see, with a signal, sound signal. Now the heater is taken out. Is the heater taken off? Yes. And the machine closes automatically and comes to the actual welding pressure, and the two lips are uniform, as you can see here. And the real temperature is 64 and will be stable on 64-66 bars. And cooling down counting is also started just before 35 seconds ago, and the actual cooling time will be 2640 seconds. When the cooling up time equals to this 2640 seconds, the welding will be finished, and then we can also take the USB, the welding report, into the USB. I'm going to show you once the cooling time is also completed. Again, not to lose time, I'm going to pause the video and start again when the welding is completed.